Hello everyone, this is Frugal Panda with a quick review of the Museum of Colorado Prisons. As you can see right there, there's the rates as of 2024. There's different discounts and you probably saw them there, veteran, retired, things of that nature. Anyway, this museum is located in Canon City, Colorado. If you haven't been to Canon City is a beautiful little city on your way to the Royal Gorge Bridge, which is a really cool bridge to actually walk across as well. It's a suspension bridge. It's actually really awesome. Furthermore, it is important to check out this museum. However you feel about penitentiaries and things like that, it's always good to know the history. And I think the museum does a good job of not sugarcoating the history of the prison and the evolution of the prison system in our country and changes that have happened over the years. I'm not saying prison is great. I'm not saying anything like that. But what I'm saying is, where it came from to where it's at, wow, just come here and look at this. What I like about this museum is it just shows the evolution, but it talks about women, it talks about the wardens, it talks about the first wardens, the dogs, shows, has the setup of the kitchen, even the gas chamber. The gas chamber for the longest time was pretty popular here in Colorado, and many people lost their lives in the gas chamber, and some people were likely innocent. Regardless of that, we went to this because we like history and we want to know things. And like I said, I don't want it sugar-coated. I want to see what it was like, see what different things are, how the inmates, were treated over the years, and the talents of the inmates. So many of the inmates had so many talents, which shouldn't come as a surprise to people. There were artists, there were, a variety of different people that had real talent, and some people were able to get skills that were and solidify those skill sets while in prison and become better people when they left. And some people never got to leave. As you can see, this is just an example of women in prison, and showing like what it looks like in a modern the women's prison or women's section of a prison nowadays. Also, if I didn't mention this, the museum is located on penitentiary grounds, so this is a prison. So when you walk in there, before you walk in, if you look up, you can see the guard tower and see the guards in there. They've actually had, while people are in the museum, people escape over the wall while people are in the museum, like looking around and everything, and stuff like that, which is a trip, like actual escapees escape. So this is on the prison grounds, and it is if I did not say either, it is located in downtown Canon City. Go check out Canon City. The historic area, the downtown, is really nice. Lots of places to eat, things to do. But this was the perfect day to come to the prison and actually check it out, because it was over 90 degrees here. And not only is it over 90 degrees here in Colorado on this day, but also you're talking, these are cities that are much higher than, say, cities in the Pacific Northwest. So it could be in the 90s and you could also be at 5, 6, 7, 8,000 elevation as well, on top of it being in the 90s. So yeah, this is a very short drive from Pueblo as well, Lake Pueblo, and Pueblo West and all those areas of Colorado. So this is southern Colorado. Really cool. Lots of things to see in this area. I do recommend this museum. I'm not going to show it all. I just wanted to put this out there to give some people some ideas for some budget-friendly travel, and especially if you love history, regardless of what kind of history it is, I'd recommend the museum, this prison museum, for anybody who's interested. This is Frugal Panda. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.